Just a real life good morning review of our Sleep and Beyond bedding that we love so much and that we're always talking about. On Elijah's bed right now we have the twin sheet, the organic sheet in white. These things get softer after every single wash, and we have a set in all of our bedrooms. Don't we? Yes. They gifted us this, well, not this pillow, but a Sleep and Beyond pillow. My husband claimed it as his own. If that doesn't tell you how much we love it, I don't know what will. It's so comfortable, and it got rid of all of his tension headaches that he was having. Underneath our sheets, we have the organic mattress cover, and it actually works. Eli has spilled juice on there. We've got Cheeto fingers on it, and I'm actually about to strip all of these sheets and blankets off of the bed and give them a wash. I'm so excited to feel just how more comfortable they come out. Isn't that right, buddy? Eli, look at me, bud. Can you say thank you?
Thank you.